In this video, I want to have a look at graphing inequalities. So before we start graphing them, we need to remember our four inequality symbols. So we've got our less than, our greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So let's have a look at a few examples. Our first example, we're going to be asked to graph x is greater than or equal to 1. So to start with, we're going to draw a number line, and we're going to put our number right in the middle. So we've got 1, which means we would have 2 up here and 0 down here. We could put more numbers on there as well, but we don't have to. Now, x is greater than or equal to 1 means that we want to mark out any values that will satisfy that equation. So we want to mark where any x's are or any numbers are that are going to be greater than or equal to 1. So 1 itself is an answer because we've got that equal to as well. And then we also want anything greater than that. So anything greater than that would be up to the right. So we coloured in that circle because of that equality there, which meant that 1 is equal to 1, so it is included in our solution. We just have to be careful that when we're doing some other problems. So for example, if we were sketching x is greater than 5, so if we draw on our number line, so in the middle we'll put a 5, we'd have 6 up here, we'd have 4 down here. Now if we want to sketch the numbers where x is greater than 5, so we don't want equal to 5. So instead of doing a coloured in circle, we're going to do an open circle. So 5 isn't included, but everything greater than 5 is. All right, let's have a look at a few more. So our next one, we're going to have a look at x is less than or equal to minus 7. So if we draw another number line, we'll have minus 7 right in the middle, which means we'll have minus 8 and minus 6. Now, this is a less than or equal to, so minus 7 is included, which means we'll colour in that circle. And then we want a less than, so this time we'll go to the left. So just to summarise that, if we've got a less than or a greater than symbol, we're going to use an open circle because the number itself isn't included. But if we have an equality there as well, so less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, then the number is included, so we used a coloured in circle or a closed dot instead. So let's have a look at a few examples of graphing inequalities.